GPS to Black-owned spirits.
It is day 11 of Veda.
Guys, we're so excited, guys, to even be here on day 11 of making Black-owned design cocktails, guys. When we started this Veda, which is vlogging every day in August, it was suggested to us to make a cocktail every single month, and I promise y'all, it wasn't an easy thing to even agree to even do, but just between me and my wife. But so far, it's going so good, man, so well, and we're definitely happy with the turnout of people excited about the drinks, excited to the next day of what we're gonna bring out.
A lot of your time.
Yeah, 5, 6, 10 minutes tops on most of the videos, man. Shout out to everyone who's been. We have a core following.
Oh yeah, they check in.
That's in the premieres, cooking with Ned, a social couple premiere, your favorite couple.
Etta,
y'all be Etta, Griffins, y'all be coming in there faithfully at 8:30, rocking with us. And now there's a lot of people that's been catching up with the replays, guys. But we just hit, I think Zam Fam just made 191. So we are literally 9 away from 200, guys, which is our first goal. And Sheldon on today's live or yesterday's live, depending when you watch this, said we should do a 200 and a celebration drink, a celebratory drink.
That's a good idea.
And so whenever we hit, so if y'all can, y'all take a second and share this out right quick. Bring some people in here. Hold on a second. All right, so now we back. Y'all share it out. Thank y'all so much for those who shared this out, and those who have other backup channels. Subscribe to us on those channels, guys. But we're gonna be making 31 cocktails in 31 days. We have 20 days left, and we're going to be making cocktails using Black-owned spirits. Today is no different. Now, we've been doing our research on dope cocktails, and we keep seeing a recurring video on a Vegas bomb. Vegas bomb on TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. But the thing was with a Vegas bomb, the traditional way, you had to use Crown Royal. But Crown Royal isn't Black-owned. So man, me like, damn, should we use Uncle Near? Should we use Greenwood? Should we use some of these other whiskey right again to do to pull this off? And then we started looking through our inventory.
Let's check.
And we have a Canadian whiskey. Who would have thought? Like, we have a new whiskey called Mercer and Prince. Mercer and Prince is a new Canadian whiskey from ASAP Rocky. And we had a Canadian whiskey. Today we needed Canadian whiskey because, again, Crown Royal is a Canadian whiskey, but it's not Black-owned. And here we have it, guys. ASAP Rocky, y'all familiar with the music. Some of you may be familiar with his fashion sense and how he's, doing big things in the fashion culture. He also has a baby with Rihanna. We will be doing a full review on this. I'm not gonna get too in depth with this brand, but just know
we have to go review them.
Just know we have a Canadian whiskey, and so now we can officially do a Vegas bomb, guys. And so without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Guys, so here you have it, the Vegas bomb. The shot still in it, little fizzle, nothing much, not a big hoo-ah. Again, simply Red Bull and then some mixtures. I'm not sure how we're gonna taste this, but again, this is the Vegas bomb. Let's put in the comment below how you make your how you like or how you make your Vegas bomb. Let's go. And cheers. Cheers to all the watchers, subscribers, all the day ones. We love y'all. You want to take this thing, baby?
You want me to go first?
You go first.
No,
baby.
you made it. You go. You go.
Wow. Let you take it first, then I put my little signs on it. That little thing hit, y'all. The Powerade, not Powerade. Why do you want to say Powerade? The Red Bull. It already got the whiskey, the grapefruit, the sweetness from the Malibu, the triple sec, the shot. Like you can't really taste it.
You can't even tell.
You can't because it's so equal parts.
It's equally.
But this one type of thing, that's why it's known as a shot. That thing gets you right quick. Let me take the thing, baby.
Wow. Okay. Never had that. Ooh, I'll be drinking too fast, y'all.
Slam it thing on the
You
table.
do that.
Afterthoughts, baby.
Whew. My drink has stopped,
Yo, that
y'all.
was yo.
See, that's why I don't be drinking fast.
Hey.
I know my limit. My drink has stopped.
Add
But
this.
that is great.
Add this. We know how to make.
I had to start requesting that.
Yo, this may be it. We had to add this to the menu, baby.
Yeah.
This little thing hit, y'all.
It's a super cute idea. It's simple.
It's simple, but it gets the
really
job
more
done.
if you think about it, it is really more Red Bull than anything else. So
And some recipes had less Red Bull. Some people, some of them had more cranberry. Some had just a little splash of cranberry just for the color. Some had no Malibu. I've seen plenty. It was just the whiskey and the triple sec as the shot, and then the Red Bull. So you can do it whiskey, triple sec, and then drop into some Red Bull. There's some that I can't even talk. That you don't have to drop the you don't have to drop in the cup. It's already mixed. You can just do like, for example, really quick, a splash of this. Splash of triple sec. Splash of Malibu. Grapefruit. Cranberry.
You put this.
Yeah, put triple secs in there. And then you want to top it off.
What you need?
Probably mix that in. And here you have it. Vegas bomb without the shot. Let's see how this go, baby. So this also could be a Vegas bomb. Well, this is. Some places you don't have to have the explosion, the bomb effect where it's splashing. I don't know, baby. Maybe I'll heavy hand out.
Okay, I think we had too much Red Bull there. Cause now it's like a
but
now it don't taste like
the Red Bull helps with the explosion drive. You just add more Red Bull at desire.
I just like the Red Bull.
Try now a little bit. Try now a little bit more Red Bull.
Dang! Wow.
You take the thing.
You can have that thing. Cause
Yo, that's good. Either way, you can't go wrong. So technically, for the first video of first time 11 video, you okay? No, you better, baby. Don't throw on me, baby. Yo, this thing, we starting to sweat already. This little thing got a little power. How I say that little got some power to it. So the first time in the video, we did two versions, two variations of it. So
wow,
this gonna close the video, guys. So that's it. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that bing, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content. Y'all hit that bell and put it on. You okay, baby?
Ooh, my stomach.
You there rubbing your titty? You rubbing
No, my stomach got tight. So.
Okay. Y'all make sure y'all go to our website and buy your Sippin' With Me Now merch.
Oh, yes.
Baby, tell them the website, baby.
It's shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
God, also follow us on Instagram, Sippin' With Me Now. God, make sure y'all subscribe to our main flagship channel, Mete and I. We go live every Saturday. Ooh.
See?
We try to drop.
See, I'm telling you, right?
Yo, it's starting to kick in. We got in this video. We try to drop videos weekly. We're behind. We got some heat, y'all.
Oh yeah. We
We work on it, guys. We're gonna get caught up very soon. I won't hit people mouth. So make sure you subscribe to us and follow us, guys. We love y'all, man. Y'all support on this channel means a lot, guys. Again, people already follow us on the main. We just hit 3,300 subscribers on our main channel, Me 9. So to see people over here supporting the new channel means a lot, guys. So we love y'all. Thank y'all so much. And that's it, y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow for day 12. Oh, that was Paul.
Oh.
We out.